What is a parallelogram, you ask?
What's a parallelogram?
It is a quadrilateral that has two sets of parallel lines. A rectangle is a parallelogram. We're looking at these here. And the simple gist of this is this. How do I find the area of this? Let's say this is 6 inches and this is 12 inches. I'm going to give you the formula for the area of a triangle or parallelogram. The formula for the area of a parallelogram, area equals BH. And B is the base and H is the height. Now, given your vast mathematical knowledge of things that we've talked to in the past, i.e. triangles that use that word base and height, what is the area of this parallelogram? I know the math is difficult, you're only in 7th grade, but there's an outside chance that maybe, just maybe, you can tell me the area of that. Riley,
72 inches.
you are incorrect.
Okay.
Sorry, Riley, I had to use yours.
That's all right.
I appreciate it. He who's afraid to make mistakes will never learn anything. Fisher?
I make a lot of mistakes.
I do too. It's confession time. Chris, what'd you get?
I would have to say the answer right.
Oh,
Thanks, buddy.
We all got it.
oh, Aubrey.
Makes me
No,
feel better,
it's not
guys.
72 inches squared either. All right. This, ladies and gentlemen, was the same thing. You can't do this problem because I didn't give you enough information. You have to remember, in math, when you talk about base and the height, just like with a triangle is 1/2 base times height, these two things must be perpendicular. In other words, if you're given a shape like this, the only way you can possibly do this problem is if they take a dashed line and go straight down and make a right angle here and tell you what that height is. Maybe it's 5. Area of a parallelogram is base times height, and they have to form a right angle. This certainly isn't a right angle. It's the same thing when we did triangles. We did a triangle and I said, okay, this is 8 inches and this is 6 inches. What's the area of that? You can't figure that out until somebody gives you that perpendicular line that gives you the thing. So the area of this one is 5 times 12 or 12 times 5, and you get 60 inches squared. And remember I said that a rectangle is a parallelogram? Well, the thing with rectangles is you already have your perpendicular lines with rectangles. These lines already form the right angle. So if this is 6 and this is 10, that's all you need because these two are already the base and the height because they do form the right angle. So this is 60 inches squared. Okay, but any other parallelogram, you are going to have to be given either this dashed line here, or they may extend this line here and draw you a dashed line here and put that. Either way, you need to look for that little teeny tiny square that's darkened in that shows that that's a right angle. Okay? That shows that that's a right angle. I don't know if there's anything more or whatever it is. I hope you've got the point there. They will, I guess we can do this. They will write this down. They will give you this. They'll say, here is a parallelogram with vertices A equals 2, 1. Who's all gone today? Tyler gone again today? B is 1, -1. Grace, you want to? C is -2, -1. And D is -1, -1. And if they say to sketch this and give the area, I probably can do this. You do it on a piece of graph paper, your homework paper. When you do this, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, -1, -2, -1, and one of these is everywhere. This must be a negative one, positive one. You get this, which should have been a nice parallelogram. If you're asked to find the area of that thing, how are you going to do that? Okay, again, these are not perpendicular lines, but certainly at any place, like this one right here, you could draw your own perpendicular line, because you know that is. What is the height of that parallelogram? How many units high is it? 1, 2. How wide is the base? 1, 2, 3. What is the area of that thing? If you multiply the base times the height, you are going to get 6. And I'll bet if you colored in the squares that you know, look, here's 1 full square, 2 full squares, 3 full squares, 4 full squares. You put this square with this square, you're going to get a 5th one. And you put this one with this one, you're going to get a 6th one. It's just the way it is, kids. 6 square units. You've been delightful today. Literally delightful. Oh.